Hello everyone, this is Dr. Navneet Raj. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Prepare NTA NET Exam Online Daily Classes. And today is day 21 and class 4 of ICT. We have already done 75 questions, so let's start. Question number 76. When a CD is seen in sunlight, rainbow-like colors are seen. This can explained on the basis of the phenomenon of. Your options are option A, reflection and diffraction. Option B, refraction, diffraction and transmission. Option C, reflection and transmission. Option D, refraction and transmission. When a CD is seen in sunlight, rainbow-like colors are seen. This can be explained on the basis of the phenomenon of refraction, diffraction and transmission. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 77. A compact disk is a data storage of the type. Your options are option A, electrical, option B, electromechanical, option C, optical, option D, magnetic. A compact disk is a data storage of the type. A compact disk is a data storage of the type magnetic. So the correct answer is option D, magnetic. Let's move to the next question. Question number 78. Which one of the following is not a programming language of a computer? Your options are option A, laser, option B, basic, option C, FORTRAN, option D, PASCAL. Which of the following is not a programming language of a computer? And the correct answer is option A, laser. Let's move to the next question. Question number 79. In computer language, 1 kilobyte equals to. Your options are option A, 8 bytes, option B, 100 bytes, option C, 1000 bytes, option D, 1024 bytes. In computer language, 1 kilobyte equals to 1024 bytes. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 80. Who wrote the book Computer, Liberation and Dream Machine? The first book on personal computers. Your options are option A, Ted Nelson, option B, John McCarthy, option C, Niklaus Wirth, option D, Karl Capek. Who wrote the book Computer, Liberation and Dream Machine? The first book on personal computers. So the correct answer is option A, Ted Nelson. Let's move to the next question. Question number 81. Charles Babbage invented. Your options are ENIAC, option B, difference engine, option C, electronic computer, option D, punched card. Charles Babbage invented difference engine. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 82. First generation computer system used. Your options are option A, magnetic cores, option B, silicon chips, option C, vacuum tubes, option D, transistors. First generation computer system used vacuum tubes. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Question number 83. The unit of hardware which an operator uses to monitor computer processing is the. Your options are option A, CPU, option B, console, option C, card reader, option D, line printer. The unit of hardware which an operator uses to monitor computer processing is the console. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 84. Main memory is. Your options are option A, read only memory, option B, random access memory, option C, serial access memory, option D, none of the above. Main memory is random access memory. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 85. ROM is composed of? Your options are option A, floppy disks, option B, photoelectric cells, option C, microprocessors, option D, magnetic cores. ROM is composed of microprocessors. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Question number 86. A decimal equivalent of seconds is? Your options are option A, 0.00001 seconds, option B, 10 lakh seconds, option C, 0.001 second, option D, 1000 seconds. A decimal equivalent of seconds is 0.00001 second. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 87. A peripheral device used in a word processing system is? Your options are option A, CRT, option B, floppy disk, option C, magnetic card reader, option D, all of the above. A peripheral device used in a word processing system is all of the above. It is CRT, floppy disk, as well as magnetic card reader. So the correct answer is option D, all of this. Let's move to the next question. Question number 88. The daily processing of corrections to customer accounts best exemplifies the processing mode of? Your options are option A, real-time processing, option B, time sharing, option C, batch processing, option D, offline processing. The daily processing of corrections to customers' accounts best exemplifies the processing mode of batch processing. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Question number 89. A process which is used by large retailers to study the trends. Your options are option A, POS, option B, data mining, option C, data selection, option D, data conversion. A process which is used by large retailers to study the trends is data mining. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 90. Which tags, when placed on an animal, can be used to record and track in a database all of the animal's movements? Your options are option A, POS, option B, GPS, option C, PPS, option D, RFID. Which tags, when placed on an animal, can be used to record and track in a database all of the animal's movements? So the correct answer is option D, RFID. Let's move to the next question. Question number 91. Which is the study of molecules and structures whose size ranges from 1 to 100 nanometers? Your options are option A, microelectrodes, option B, artificial intelligence, option C, nanoscience, option D, computer forensics. Which is the study of molecules and nanostructures whose size ranges from 1 to 100 nanometers? So the correct answer is option C, nanoscience. Let's move to the next question. Question number 92. Computers gather data, which means that they allow users to dash data. Your options are option A, store, option B, present, option C, input, option D, output. Computers gather data, which means that they allow user to input data. So the correct answer is option C, input. Let's move to the next question. Question number 93. A dash is approximately 1 billion bytes. An easy question. And the options are option A, bit, option B, kilobyte, option C, megabyte, and option D, gigabyte. A dash is approximately 1 billion bytes. So a gigabyte is approximately 1 billion bytes. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 94. The dash, also called the brain of the computer, is responsible for processing data. Your options are option A, motherboard, option B, central processing unit, CPU, option C, memory, option D, RAM. So the dash, also called the brain of the computer, is responsible for processing data. The central processing unit, also called the brain of the computer, is responsible for processing data. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 95. Smaller and less expensive PC based servers are replacing in many businesses. Your options are option A, clients, option B, laptops, option C, supercomputers, option D, mainframes. Smaller and less expensive PC based servers are replacing in many businesses. And the correct answer is option D, mainframes. Let's move to the next question. 96. DSL is an example of a dash connection. Your options are option A, network, option B, wireless, option C, broadband, option D, slow. So DSL is an example of a broadband connection. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Question number 97. The operating system is the most common type of dash software. Your options are option A, communication, option B, application, option C, word processing software, option D, system. The operating system is the most common type of system software. So the correct answer is option D, system. Let's move to the next question. Question number 98. MS-DOS is the name of an. Your options are option A, system software, option B, application software, option C, hardware, option D, none of the above. MS-DOS is the name of a system software. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 99. Main memory is dash. Your options are option A, read-only memory, option B, random access memory, option C, serial access memory, option D, none of the above. Main memory is random access memory. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 100. A temporary storage area attached to the CPU for input-output operations is a. Your options are option A, core, option B, buffer, option C, channel, option D, register. A temporary storage area attached to the CPU for input-output operations is a buffer. So the correct answer is option B. So that's all for today. Please subscribe the channel for the daily classes and latest updates. Thank you. Thank you very much.